All right, greetings everyone. So I am Mr. Kwang. Okay, I'm a lecturer from University Dong Darul Aman, from the Lee Kong Chian Faculty of Engineering and Science. Right. So in this video here, I'm going to introduce to you. What is Excel? Right. What is Microsoft Excel? Okay, Microsoft Excel is actually a very powerful tool which can helps you, right, to analyze, basically do analyzing, do calculations, and maybe do some data visualization as well. However, we won't go into very deep into that level yet. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce to you what is Excel, right? So you can see that this is Excel, right? Okay, basically I have enlarged already, so you can see that it's something like this. So now imagine, right? Imagine you have collected a data, right? Is in this method, all right? You see that sheet once here. So you can see that, okay, by the way, this is a random data, okay, which I got it from Google, right? So no worry about that, okay? So as you can see that this is maybe your data from your homework, or maybe from your assignment, or maybe from your company, right? Like example, for this case, it's a sales for a stationery shop. So you can see that this is the raw data. Okay, this is what you call the raw data. Okay, see that the date is not really is following a US style. You can see that the month is in the front. Okay, like for in Malaysia here, our month is at the middle one, right? So and then you will notice that the unit cost, and the total price are okay. It's not in a proper format lah, right? So by using Excel, right? By using Excel, it can make this thing looks better, and it can help your you can set a better user interface, right? So let me just show you. Okay, see this one, this is a raw data. So see the one I create here, sheets 2. Now it definitely looks better, right? So it means that after you have learned some Excel's basic skill, okay, you should able to do it as well. Like example, changing the format of the date, right? And then change this one to the table format. And then also you can see that I have also changed the format for the price, or for the unit cost and the total sales in terms of currency in ringgit Malaysia. Right, this definitely looks much more better than here, right? And then at here, so let's say okay, let's say you want to add additional data here, right? Let's say you have more sales. Example, this is 21st of December 2020. So let's say on 1st of January, okay, see I type here. Let's say on 1st of January 2021, okay, you have another sales, right? So you want to record it down, examples lah, right? So you can see that when I press enter here, you can see that it automatically create another new row for me, including all the formula which I have inserted. Even though you see the numbers here, right? Let me just enlarge further. Okay, so even though you can see the numbers here, but in fact inside I have already keyed in the data, the formulas in the you can see that formulas. Okay, you can see that there's a Vlookup here, and then you have Vlookup here, and then yeah, and then at here also I have a total sum, but please ignore this one for now. Okay, so why NA here? Because this one I haven't put in any value, so the sum of NA is still NA, right? So let me just show it to you. So now you can see that now instead of every time when you key in a new data, you need to type, oh okay, a new region, or I need to type not a new region, the region, or I need to type in West. Right, might as well maybe since it's only 3 choices, okay, West, Central, and East. So maybe you can create a better user interface where you allows the user to choose. See that I click this drop down list, I can select. Example, I go for West, and then who is my reps who make this sales, right? So let us click maybe anyone. I just choose maybe Guilds, right? And then what item she sold, right? Let's say maybe I just go for desk, and then you can see that when I click desk, right, you can see that automatically I have this unit price here, automatically. So you don't need to like always refer, oh, that's how much is a unit price. You need to key in yourself, no, right? Because of the powerful tools of Excel, one of them is called Vlookup, right? So it allows you to automatically link them. You see that if I change it to pen, 3.99. examples, ignore the price, right? So we have 3.99 here. So and then let's say I go for pencil, 1.99, and then just key in how many unit for this sales. Let's say example 35. You see that automatically it calculates the total for me, and then hence I also have a new total, new grand total sales. Right, let's say example, let's just create another one. 1st of February 2021. So let's say we have who else? Maybe Central, maybe Jones, right? Maybe he sell, let's say desks, right? So he sell maybe 5 desks. So you can see that when I press 5 here, you can see that here not yet changed, right? But if I press enter, you can see that I have a total sales for for Jones is $625, 625 ringgit Malaysia, sorry, and then the grand total has been increased as well. Okay, because this is I have already how to say preset these templates. Okay, so all this you will learn in this the Microsoft Excel beginner level 1, level 2 up to level 4, but definitely in level 1 to up to level 4 there you have more things. Okay, in this video here I just basically introduce what you can be what you can do with Excel. Right, definitely this template may not be good enough. Okay, it still can be further enhanced, adding more formulas, right? And then yeah, and then maybe you if you want also you can create a chart like that, right? Okay, so in level 3 also you learn on how to insert the chart, and then more powerful tools you have a pivot table, pivot chart. All right, so I would that's all for the video, right? So yeah, I see you soon, right? Everyone take care, stay safe, stay healthy, yeah, right? Bye bye.